Alright everyone, fast forward a few hours later, and as you see, snake is gone. As you see there. So, that's a good sign. Snake is gone. We can now do a for real startup of it and get the cutting. So, let me get back here. Let's hope. Let's see. Uh-oh, hit my foot on there. Let's see, this is probably going to be a cold start because I haven't been ran in a couple weeks or maybe almost a month now. Can't remember when the last time I cut, so this might be a little bit of cold start. Oh, and by the way, before I do start it, that handlebar, that was just one of these bars that I was telling about, was just one of the bars. Actually, it was actually missing a clamp, so I just had to hook that on. That's what it was. It was just one of those bars. My mind can't keep up on what it's called. Maybe you can. You probably already know what it is, but yeah, that's what one of the bars was. It was just missing a clamp. So, let's see. Brake, clutch, neutral. Sounds a little bit weak, like the battery's almost dead. Uh-oh. Oh, what is going on now? Ah, there we go. How about that? I thought it wasn't going to fire up, but it did. Alright, well, we'll let it warm up for a bit before I get cutting. I wasn't for sure if it was going to go or not, but it did. Alright everyone, well, snake's taken care of, and here we are. Alright. Alright everyone, there's your late October startup of it. Thanks so much for watching. Hit like and subscribe. Tap the bell, comment down below. We'll catch you on the next one.